ko pa dito, ay sorry, kasi nung nabasa ko yung ano nyo, parang magkakaibigan, magkakasama ng college days pa, di ba? Tapos nabuwag, nag-away-away siguro, tsaka nawala sa mundo. Tapos nagbalik sa music scene, di ba? Ngayon, ikaw bang original member o nadagdag ka?
Well, actually, I entered Inner Voices way back 2016. So,
Kako 1992.
1992 sila. I mean, 1992 sila. So, you can see the Jurassic era.
O nga no, pero ikaw po ako pa rin kay Thunder sa iba, no? So, ito ng boses in fairness.
Noong 1992, boy band kami. No? Meron na kami unang vocalista si Red. And then, some of you probably know Nance Del Rosario. Yung sa album na yun. And then in 2016, when he left, and pumalit si Angelo.
Ayun si Angelo. So, kumusta naman yung bonding mo sa kanila? Di ba mawala ka rin pagtagal? Tapos, thanks lang! Pero ang ganda ng boss pa in fairness.
Ay, talaga. Sorry. Thank you, thank you.
Mas wag sa Angelo sabi niya sa, Red, birthday pa na Sam, di ba? O, alam mo na. Ayun. So, kayong group, ang tanong ko, bakit nabuwag o bakit nawala at ngayon nagbabalik sa music scene?
Kasi nung after college, ako I pursued law. And some of the members pursued law studies.
Mo ko ha?
Ako po banda ngayon. And then, nung naging busy lahat, nagka-day job. So, tumigil kami. And then nag-reunite kami noong 2014 just for the sake of releasing an album. Kasi for the heck of it, matandaan na kami, sabi namin, siguro it's about time that we do something about it sa music. Now that we have established our own career outside of music. So, binuo namin yun and luckily, natanggap naman kami ni Benny sa tour ng 2014 and we got signed by Universal Records to release our album. And yun, nanalo na Awit Awards. And then after that, naging busy and of course, nung 2015 nawala si Nante and here came Angelo. So dumating naman siya sa and then busy na ulit, because of day jobs and everything. So Angelo joined Real Group, tama?
I joined another band.
Yung Real Group, and then nag-regroup kami after yung pandemic, wala, di ba, lahat up. Wala talaga yung music, wala. So, nung kalagitnaan, I think tapos in 2021, parang naisip namin na, okay, anong makakontribute natin para magpasaya naman tayo ng tao? So, nag-reunite kami para lang makita ng tao, oy, pwede pala na magsama-sama, nakita na yung magkakaibigan, nandito pa rin magkakasama, buhay lahat, kumpleto. So, nag-release kami nung nirevive namin yung Kataligaran Valenciano na paano. Ang maganda naman na reception. So, nung nirelease namin yon, ito na yung mga kaibigan namin sa entertainment scene started inviting us sa shows. Sa 90s so nagsimula. And then benefit shows sa para tumulong sa mga musikerong na may sakit at nangailangan ng tulong ng pandemic. Tumugtog kami ng live, eto na. And then after a few months, tumawag yung Hard Rock Cafe, tumawag na yung Bar 9. So, we've been doing gigs for 1 year, 4 times a week. So sabi namin, okay, isang taon na yan. So ano naman ang gagawin natin iba? So this year we decided to release this song. So we intend to release 5 songs. So sa umpisa, ito munang 3. Itong Honey, Isasayaw Kita, Anghel. Kaya tayo nandito rin.
Ano po napili nyo? Nagkaroon ba ng audition para mapili sa Angelo? At yung pong nag-audition po ba, o kung meron man, kailangan po ba yung lead vocals niya kailangan makapag-compose din? Kasi siya halos nag-compose ng kanta, di ba?
Nung hindi namin siya pina-audition, nakita namin, oy, pogi, pwede ka. Yun lang yun.
Factor eh.
Yun lang yun. So, pero hindi namin requirement na marunong gumawa. In fact, hindi namin alam na gumagawa siya ng kanta. Only in 2021 that we learned that he has original songs.
Ay, sa Luis na ka pala before?
No, banda rin.
Banda. Umalis ka doon, no? Ano yung banda ngayon?
Real Groove. I mean, yun yung retro something.
Retro.
Paano yung sayaw nun?
Yung panahon.
So, yeah, kasi wala na Inner Voices eh. So they got me because they have to continue the commitments to other events. Nung
So, ibig sabihin, pag wala ka, hindi matutuloy commitments nila doon. Char!
Hindi, I mean, Yeah, kasi yung original vocalist nila, nawala noong 2016 eh. So, they got me to continue their leg. Tuloy ang mga event and gigs na commitment sa mga clients nila. And, yun. So, yeah. So, ayun. 2016, after that, 2017, then nagpahinga na akong Inner Voices. So, nagkanya-kanya na kami. They have their own businesses as well in their life. So, ngayon, 2021, 2022, bumalik kami. And yeah, nag-reconnect kami lahat, reunited. And then, yeah, we plan to release a single. And yun nga, yung mga kanta namin. And abangan nyo rin yung kanta ni Atty. Ray Bergado, which is Nangungulila. It's part of the, actually 5 yung i-release, but nauna lang yung 3, so in the process pa yung 2. He also composed music, and he also composed all of the song of Inner Voices, which is nanalo sa Awit Awards. So, yeah. Round of applause for Atty. Ray Bergado.
Attorney pa rin po ba kayo kahit nasa banda na kayo?
Yes, ano yun?
Attorney pa rin po.
Sorry?
Attorney pa rin po kayo.
May kaso siya.
Ayaw naman.
Banda pa rin po kayo. Kakasuhan ka na nga
And likewise, kahit attorney ako, banda pa rin ako.
Attorney, ano ko lang po kung saan nanggaling yung pangalan ng Inner Voices.
Parang kasi nag-isip kami nun parang paano ba yung music namin? Like, narinig yun, di ba? Kaya namin nagustuhan yung mga kantang pinilisan ni Angela. It's touching, it's haunting, parang coming from within. So that's why we call it Inner Voices. So if you would hear our past songs, puro ganon, parang medyo may dark.
Parang maraming hugot parate.
Medyo dark theme yung mga kanta namin.
Pero yung experiences niyo po ba, each member of the band, may mga inner voices talaga kayong experience na nagawa niyo sa songs niyo?
Yes naman, pero
Kasi nakakatakot yung mga
most of the
inner
time,
voices.
most of the time they're just songs. Kasi as composers, like ako from my experience, unlike si Angelo na from his experience yung isasayo, ako hindi. Parang it's just a download for me. I can hear it from anywhere. I was just driving and then some songs would come into my mind, isusulat ko lang. So ganun yun. Wala akong particular experience na nag-resulta sa kanta. So that's for me. It's different for him.
Angel, pwede ba namin malaman kung anong nangyari sa daughter mo, if you won't mind?
Yeah, actually, she's not born yet. I mean, 8 months. 8 months, mga ganun. Mga anak na. So, pero later, pero yung pinakaunang part is nung chinek up yung bata. So, the doctor advised us that she has a weak heart. So, it's not about it's not about the woman or yung ex ko. So, yeah, yun lang, weak heart, and we should be, we should be ready sa mangyayari because it's not gonna be a promise na magiging successful yung bata or mabubuhay yung bata. So, yeah, we just pray and then, ayun, it comes to the end na nawala na talaga yung bata. So, nag-stop yung heart, and then she's lost. She's in heaven now. So, yeah.
Anong name niya? May name?
Yeah, it's hope.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's created in pandemic. So, 2019, and inabot siya ng pandemic, of course. And when syempre, we are all in pandemic, di ba? Lahat tayo nagkaroon ng depression and frustrations and all, and wala tayong trabaho, wala. So, that's why I named her Hope. Because she's the only one who will bring happiness, di ba? Kasi syempre, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Yung baby, pag may sanggol, it's like a symbol of hope. Parang deer, di ba? It's a symbol of hope. So, sabi ko, Hope na lang yung pangalan niya because she will be born in pandemic, and siya na lang yung magiging happiness natin together. So, yeah.
Si Angel, sino siya?
Angel is, actually Angel, I didn't write the song. It's Edward Mitra's creation of, so,
Why didn't you like it?
well, yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, I created 6 songs during the pandemic, and Usually, ang album kasi, di ba, 8 to 12, di ba? So,
Play lahat.
yeah, and yun ang uso dati. So, kahit naman modern era, pero ang plano namin is which is ang album talaga. So, 8 to 12 songs. I have 6. And if gagawin pa namin yung other song na naisulat ko, which is madami ko kasing naisulat. So, kung gagawin namin lahat yun, it will take a process. It will take a lot, another year, another. So, ginawa namin, yung 2 songs, inalok niya sa akin. I have a proposal to you, and hindi ko naman gagamitin yung kanta. Actually, naghahanap ako ng taong kakanta nito, and wala akong makita. And since na magkasama kaming side by side na gumagawa ng kanta ng time na yun, so binigay niya sa akin to complete the 8 songs para maging album. So, ayun, hanggang sa, yeah, ganun yung story ng Anghel. So, yung Anghel, it's not, he wrote the song, Anghel, Edward Mitna, he wrote the song Anghel, but, which is ganun nga talaga, due to meron siyang, the girl, kahit anong sama nung lalaki, si girl merong unconditional love. It happened to him. So, yeah, ganun yung pagkakagawa ng kanta. So, it's based on his experience, alright? And it's a true-to-life story, actually. Sana nga eh. Well, hindi ko nga na-invite, I'm sorry. Pero, yun. Based on his real-life story, na meron siyang babae, meron siyang girlfriend, meron siyang girl, meron siyang love na nawala. Pero pinagsisisihan niya yun kasi yung ginagawa ng babae sa kanya is unconditional, right? So, taken for granted niya yung babae. So, yeah.
Okay, last na lang. Sino yung pinaka-peg mo as a musician? And ano yung
Wow.
genre ng banda ng Inner Voices?
Wow, actually, mahirap sagutin. Teka, the influence, may kanya-kanya kasi kami influence. I mean, ako, personally, I'm a Queen fan. I'm a Freddie Mercury fan. And I'm a Sting fan.
Rhapsody? Bohemian
Yeah,
Rhapsody.
you should watch us in Hard Rock. So,
By the way, last night, nag-Queen night kami sa Hard Rock.
Ayan.
So, yan, boss niya. So, uulit-uli yun.
Isa-isa.
Sa September 30 ulit may Queen night.
Yeah, you should watch us
Hard
for
Rock
sure.
Marina naman. Siguro invite natin sila, no?
Yeah, you should watch
Sa
us.
Queen, sino pa?
The Police, Sting. Actually, si Sting mismo. Yeah. I like the way he writes songs. They have, and Greg Alexander, New Radicals, and that's my influence in writing song. Si Greg Alexander's New Radicals is, if you're familiar with Someday We'll Know. Yes. And ano pa ba isang maganda? You get what you give. You get what you give. And Lost Stars, actually siya nagsulat ng Lost Stars. It's not Adam Levine. So
ano nga yung Inner Voices ng band?
yeah, Inner Voices, actually mix na to eh.
Mix na. Oo nga eh.
Oh, yeah, mix na.
Ang ano namin is really pop rock. So yung
Pop rock.
narinig yung original. Halos ganun din yung mga top covers namin.
Pero,
we specialize on 80 songs.
okay po. Pasok tayo.
So pag 80 songs, kami talaga yun.
Pasok
But
tayo.
we do 90s and yung mga early 2000 songs.
Manood na tayo. Dali.
Yes,
You
please.
should.
Okay po, and okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Maganda yung maganda yung mga napakinggan naming kanta ngayon, composition mo, and lahat parang nandun na, may love song, may ano. At saka yung isa, world beat ang ano niya eh, yung hari.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Pilar.